Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the latest feature of advanced ETL processor, such as working with parquet files. Advanced ETL processor can read parquet files and create parquet files. In these tutorials, I will show you how to convert all text files within directory into parquet format. Let's get started. So here we have a directory which holds delimited files, and we would like to convert them into parquet and save them into that folder. So let's start from creating new package group. Let's call it conversion. And we create new package and we call it CSV to parquet, for example. So first step we need to set up some variables. Set variable section. Call it source directory. And another one is called parquet. Okay, so this step is done. So the next step, what we want to do, we want to loop over the files in the source folder. So use file loop, files loop. Okay, what we want to do, it is a variable, and we want to use not only delimited files. So we use a mask, and we will assign the file name to loop value. What we want to do, we want to get a clean file name, so it will be just the file name without the directory. We use for that file file metadata. We use file as a variable, and we need to get clean name. And the next step is actually to do the actual conversion. Delimited file to parquet. Again, do so the source file is a loop value. Again, it is a variable. And the parquet file is again variable as well. And we want to copy it into a different directory. Save it into different directory. And we want to use clean file name for it. To change file extension. Well, in this case, we just add file extension because it's just example. Like this. We can use a script to change the file extension, but in this example, it's not really important. So let's try to run it and see if it actually works. Just close the loop like this. And we run it and see. So actually, it did work. Now what we need to do, see, here's our files. As we just compare, that file has a million records, and it is how many? 67. And that file, so basically 1 million products. So it is nearly 3 times smaller. So as you can see, it is quite an efficient format. Okay, well, I hope you found this tutorial useful. As you can see, it is extremely easy to convert text files to Parquet format. And again, if you have any questions or suggestions how to make our software better, because none of the software is perfect out there, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.